Hi guys, so for today's video I thought I'd do some very last minute Halloween decorating. This year I'm not really feeling like the spooky vibes. I do love Halloween, but this year I'm feeling really cozy instead. So I've got loads of pumpkins downstairs. I went pumpkin picking the other day. If you haven't seen it on my Instagram, I'll pop it up here. Check it out. I absolutely love those photos. It was so fun. So yeah, I've just got loads of pumpkins downstairs ready to carve. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them, but we'll figure it out. We'll do something creative. I just thought I'd take some time to do some proper decorating, get the house all lovely and cozy, ready for Halloween. I just want to make it really cozy for the rest of the autumn season. I don't want to have to take down all these decorations at Halloween. I want it to like last, and then I can just transition through to all of the Christmas decorations. This is just the best time of year, like, you've got to agree with me. I absolutely love autumn. It's so warm, the colours are just so nice. You've just got to agree with me on that one. It's one of the best times of the year. So grab a cuppa, light some candles, get under a cozy blanket, and let's just get started. So these are the pumpkins I got to carve when I went pumpkin picking. This one's absolutely huge and it looks like a watermelon. So I'm not really sure what to do with them. I think I only want to carve one, but I don't want to carve like a face. I want like a heart or like something decorative in it. I've never carved a pumpkin before in my life, so I really don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm going to use the little one, because then if it goes wrong I've still got like a nice pumpkin. Also, I forgot to mention, I eventually got the light up pumpkins. Oh my god, these were so hard to find. So I actually messaged Poundland, I think I told you in my last video. Then they actually messaged us back like a week or so later and said they've got them in. Do I want them to keep some aside? And I thought that was so nice of them to actually remember like that far in time. And they are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my god. So that will be going on display very, very soon. So do I just go in and carve it, or do you have to cut the top off first? There'll be seeds in, so you probably have to cut the top off first. This is scary. Wait! It actually worked. Oh my god. Guys, I did it. Oh my god. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's so much better than I expected. Like, I've never carved a pumpkin before, so I'm really, really happy. And I was just using this ordinary kitchen knife. So yeah, DIY at its finest. I've got loads of these little white mini pumpkins, which I absolutely love. So I painted these ones last year, trick or treat. I just think they're really, really cute. So I'll be definitely putting them out on the table. A few of them I just spray painted, like chrome, gold, silvers as well. I've got another little pumpkin from Poundland. I got this last year and I really, really like it. I think they still do them, but they're slightly different. I mean, well worth £1. They're so, so cute. You can put a tea light in the back and yeah, they're just, I love them. I've also got this, which I absolutely love. I actually made this last year and it's one of the things I'm actually proud of. Sometimes I just get like a streak of creativity and I just think, I'm gonna do that like right now, and I just do it. So I just got one of these mason jars from Home Bargains. I tied some ribbon around. I've filled it with these false leaves. You get a pack, I think they were just off Amazon, really, really cheap. And then I put some of the white pumpkins in there as well. So I basically just filled it with like autumny stuff. I then got a pack of these tags from the works and I just wrote Happy Autumn on there. I tie that on with some string, and then I've got some lights inside which are bottle lights. So I normally put them in glass bottles, but I've just like put some, wrapped it around everything. It'll look better in the dark.
Sorry, I feel no attraction and none of this benefit. 'Cause I've been so long, so long.
I've still got stuff in this bag, but I don't really want to put any of it up. I've got this huge scary pumpkin, but as I said, like, I don't really want the scary vibes. I want just like the cozy autumn vibes. I bought these yesterday at Primark and I really want to put these up. So these are like the little scented sachets. I think you hang them on the door. They do look like they're meant to be for Christmas, but I suppose they could be for autumn as well. They smell just like kind of like a natural smell, like there's a hint of lavender in there. I can't really describe it, but it does smell a bit like the woods, but nice. I don't know if that makes sense at all. In the living room at the minute, we are a mix of gold and silver, mainly gold, but I've added in a few silver accessories. So as you can see, these beautiful pumpkins are like a silvery colour. And so is this really nice tea light holder. But then we've got the gold lights, we've got like a gold plant stand, we've got gold frames. As you can see, that plant's a little bit dead, so yeah, I need to get a new one of those. So yeah, I just love this section of the room. It looks so nice when it's lit up and it makes it so, so cozy. I think I'm going to pop this on the windowsill. It is meant to be for Christmas, I think, but I think it looks pretty autumny. I'm loving how it's wooden and I love the rope handle. Like, it does give it that sort of cottagey, warm autumn vibe. So I think I'm just going to pop that down here. Alexa, turn on the lamp. As I said, we've got a mixture of gold and silver. So as you can see, the main candle holder, this big mirrored one, this one is mainly gold, and so is the little trinket dish. And then I've got these two silver ones as well. I've then got the mustard throw, which is obviously a really warm golden colour as well. So I never liked this one because it seems a little bit unstable, so I'm a bit worried about that one. But I do like this one. Those two are both from Asda. These little tea light holders are from the range. That one has a gingerbread candle in. My gingerbread candles are from Wickford & Co as well, from Home Bargains. I'm just finishing off with some Fabulosa foam freshener. This smells so nice, and I just spray it all over the sofa and on the cushions, and it just absorbs and makes it smell absolutely gorgeous. And then I also love this Febreze Let It Snow. This smells like vanilla. It's so nice, and I know it's meant to be for Christmas, but why not? I'm just lighting my candles, getting all cozy, ready for a night in. And I'm going to leave today's video here. I really hope you've enjoyed, and I hope you have a lovely Halloween. And I'll see you all again in the next video.
I'm waiting for someone that couldn't get